Aloha, I'm Sarai Richardson and I'm going to walk you through how to create an award-winning video for Empower Your Dreams. There are three main ideas that we will discuss: planning, creating, and testing. So first, planning. Before you create your video, you need to have finished testing your service or product. This means that you have collected surveys or data showing how there will be people outside of your friends and families who are willing to become your customer. Now that you have your data collected, you are ready to write your script. I recommend creating a table with two columns so that on one side you can put your script, but the other side you can put the visuals that you're going to add. Think of this video not as an assignment, but as a story that you're telling. Your target audience is made up of local businessmen and women. Talk to them, not at them. Include the problem that your MVP addresses and tell the judges why that matters to you. Then share your solution and include your unique value proposition. Basically, what makes your product different from what's already out there. Remember that some people might not be familiar with the business industry, so be sure to explain what it is and never assume that someone will know what you're talking about. Next, talk about all of the amazing data that you collected. This is the proof that your business has growth potential and the judges need to see it. Finally, end with a call to action, such as visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or leaving their contact information to learn more. Now that your script is done, go back through and decide which parts of the video you want to have the audience see you talking and which parts you have a voiceover. Have someone you trust give you honest feedback on your script so that you can make necessary changes before filming. The next phase is to create. As a videographer, I've made over 200 videos and here are some of my tips. Lighting. It's so important that your face is well lit so that everybody can see your smile. Framing. Record your video so that you are clearly seen.
Because this would be really awkward to watch.
Don't just be a talking head with a monotone voice, otherwise the audience will fall asleep. If I talk like this the whole time, it would be very boring. Remove distractions. If your notebook does not need to be there, move it out of the way. If you're recording in a noisy place and do not have a microphone, find a quiet place such as a library study room. It will make all the difference. You should match your music with the message that you're trying to portray. You can find free music on YouTube Audio. And the last thing I want to talk about when it's talking about creating something is editing. Keep your transitions and text professional. Don't have your background music overpower your audio. When including your spreadsheets, there's an easy recording software that will help you record your screen. You can use Loom or also recording straight through PowerPoint. And make sure that the video is no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it short, sweet, and powerful. The last phase is to test out your video by asking people to watch it and see what they learned and if everything was understandable. This would definitely help in making sure that you can make any final changes before submitting your final product. I'm so excited for you guys. You got this.